Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter 17 of our social study book, The Earth. In this, we will study about our beautiful Earth. So students, let's start. Look at the globe. It shows us the planet we live in, that is the Earth. It is round in shape. You can see that a part of the earth is blue and the other part is green. This is because the earth is made of land and water. So student, as you can see the globe here in the picture, it is round in shape. And we can see some part is with blue color and some with green. So the green part is shown as the land and the blue part is shown as the water. So first we will discuss about land. Land is not just the same in all parts of the earth. It is flat in some places and raised in some areas. Flat land is called plains. So students, here we can see a picture over here. So in this picture we can see the land which is flat, or this is also called plains because they don't have the hills. That's why they are called plains. Raised land is called a hill or a mountain. Mountains are higher than hills. So here is a picture of mountains which shows that land, those who have raised lands, is called hill or a mountain. Mountains are higher than hills. That means mountains have the more heights than the hills. Now we will study about water. Water covers most part of the earth. Seas and oceans are huge water bodies. Flowing water is called a river. So students, as we have earlier seen in the globe which is given above, the area which are shown with the blue color is water. That means we have 70% of the water on the earth, which is of sea and oceans. And we also have the rivers, which are called the flowing waters. So, first we will see that there are water bodies. So, what are these water bodies? We can see the picture over here. So, first water body is, what we can say, this is a pond. So, students, this is the pond. So, next water body what we see is sea. Sea or a ocean. Okay students, so please note it down on your books also. And the third picture what we are seeing is of a river. And the fourth picture is of lake. Okay students, so these are the pictures and please fill it in your book. We need water to drink, clean, wash and cook. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals too need water to live. We get water from rivers and lakes. We should protect the water bodies. We should not put waste and garbage in rivers and lakes. So students, we should not throw any garbage or any other dirty things in the water, because we need water for drinking, cleaning, washing and cooking. Plants and animals also need water. So we should protect our water bodies. So as we can see, there is a picture below of a factory and people who are throwing the garbage in the river. We should not throw garbage in the rivers and to make water dirty, because we used to drink this water. Now we will study about air. The earth is surrounded by air. It is all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. So students, as I have said that the earth is surrounded by air. It is all around us, but we cannot see it. Yes, we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. When the air is blow very fast, that is called wind. We need air to breathe. Plants and animals need air to breathe. So as we need the air, so is the plants and animals. They also breathe. Living things cannot live without air. So students, living things on this earth cannot live without air. What are the living things? Living things are the animals, plants and humans. Gases from cars and industries dirty the air. Unclean air is harmful for us. Discuss with your teacher how even little children like you can help in cleaning the air. So students, in this we can say that the industries and cars produce the pollutions which dirty the air, because we inhale or take the skin into our body, so it is harmful for us to breathe that uncleaned air. So students, now we have learned about the earth. Now we will do some true or false. So what is the earth is made up of land and water. This is true. So the next one is the land is same all over the earth. So this is false. Now the third one is flowing water is called a pond. No, flowing water is called a river. That means it is false. So the D1 is we cannot feel air. No students, we can feel the air. So this is also false. moving air is called wind. Yes, students, moving air is called wind. So, this is true. Throwing waste and garbage in water pollutes the water bodies. Yes, throwing garbage and in the water bodies dirty the water. That means it's true. So, the last one. Gases from cars and industries cause pollution. Yes, gases from cars and industries cause pollution. That means it is true.